Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm looking at this beautiful apartment. It's a 2-bedroom at the 1400 Hiline. So I'm looking at this apartment and man, it's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous and stunning. This is the living room. You can see we already saw the kitchen. Kitchen's just super pretty. Look at all the gorgeous cabinets that are there. Look at the beautiful 4-door fridge that's here, and then we're back into the living room. The living room has a lot of space. You've even got space for this table that's really unusual, really large, and great floor-to-ceiling window lighting in here. We're going to go into one of the bedrooms so you can see it. This is a really nice bedroom. It also has floor-to-ceiling windows here for you. You can fit a king or a queen in here. Really pretty flooring in here. And then this is what the bathroom looks like. It's just exciting. It's got a really nice tub and a beautiful walk-in shower. That's this really thick glass that's there. And then this has a dual sink. Really, really nice. I love the mirror that's here. It's lighted. It's very, very nice. And then finally, got a really, really pretty huge closet, mega closet. So this is your quick walkthrough of this 2-bedroom here at the 1400 Hiline. If you have any questions or you're ready to take a tour, you can do a virtual tour live, or you can do an in-person tour live, and we're the people that can set that up super easily for you. It's a free service to work with us. We work hand in hand with the 1400 Hiline. We'd be happy to do that for you right away. We can also help you research other apartments in the Dallas area, other high-rises, and that's a part of our free service. We'll always help you find your perfect place, save you time, save you money, and get you that perfect, beautiful Dallas apartment. Reach out right now, and that's my direct number, and I look forward to hearing from you.